How to report hacked account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report hacked account. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there. Now all you need to do is click on setting and privacy and scroll down. You're gonna find report a problem, click on it. And now scroll down and click on account and profile, and you're gonna find manage account. Click on it and click on hacked account. Now TikTok team they say that you should search for setting and privacy and select one of following methods to protect your account, and you can also change your password, your phone number, or choose two-step to protect your account. If doesn't help and you want to report, just click on no and click on need more help. And here you can send a screenshot or a video shot of your account and tell TikTok team your problem. Easy and quick, and click on report. Don't forget to subscribe and like.